Yet we have studied about indefinite integral. In this video, we will tell about definite integral. If fx be a function defined on closed interval ab, then integration a to b fx dx is equal to capital F b minus capital F a, where capital Fx is the integral of small fx and a and b are lower and upper limits of integration. For example, let small fx is equal to x square and given interval is 0 to 1. Then integration 0 to 1 fx dx is equal to 0 to 1 fx के स्थान पे x square dx. Now we integrate x square x power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 limit 0 to 1 is equal to x power 3 upon 3 limit 0 to 1. First we put 1, here is b, 1 की power 3 upon 3 minus we put 0 power 3 upon 3 as fa a is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 0 is equal to 1 upon 3. Integration of 0 to 1 x square dx का वैल्यू 1 upon 3.